Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good morning to everyone. I'm Nilsala Razak and my friends Masdin Harina Abdul Manan and Wan Anis Ilhani Wan Kamarudin. We are from Language Center, National Defence University of Malaysia, and today the presentation titled Artificial Intelligence in Language Learning and Teaching, a Bibliometric Review. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is now transforming many areas of our lives, including education. In language learning and teaching, AI brings new tools such as chatbots, intelligent tutoring systems, and learning platforms that make lessons more interactive and personalized for students. These tools help learners improve faster and allow teachers to teach more effectively. However, even though AI has been or become very popular, there is still a lack of clear understanding about how research in this field has developed over time. So, this study was conducted to explore the trends, key contributors, and major research areas related to AI in language education. In this presentation, I will share the main findings of the bibliometric analysis, including the most active countries, frequently used keywords, and international collaboration networks. I hope this overview will help us see how AI continues to shape the future of language learning and teaching. The next slide is the AI revolution in education. AI has transformed language education through personalized, adaptive, and interactive learning environments. Tools like chatbots, intelligent tutoring systems, and adaptive platform provides real-time feedback and tailored exercises. This study analyzes 653 publications from Scopus from 1984 to 2025 until 2025 to reveal global patterns, collaboration networks, and thematic clusters shaping the field. Next slide, as we can see here, is an infographic of AI's role in language education, transforming how we learn and teach languages. Okay, as we can see here, AI's role in education in terms of innovative, adaptive, and interactive tools for language learning and teaching. Main AI tools use core technologies, pedagogical impact, challenges, issues, and human as well as benefits of AI in language learning, and the balanced integration of AI and human instruction equal to effective, ethical, and human-centered language learning. Okay, next, the research questions are, first, what are the research trends by year of publications? Second, which articles have been most cited in the field? The third one is which countries lead in publication output. And then keyword analysis, what are the most prominent research keywords? And the last and the final one is collaboration networks. How do countries collaborate through co-authors? Okay, let us see the first finding for research question. I apologize. Let us discuss on methodology. Okay, for this presentation or this study, we employ data sorts, data scopus database selected from comprehensive coverage and robust indexing of peer-reviewed literature. We employed search strategy, Boolean query, okay, title artificial intelligence or AI, and teaching or learning and language. And the search screening, and in terms of screening, we chose English language publications from 1984 until 2025, resulting in 653 final articles. And we use analysis tools, which is VOS Viewer software for network visualization, as well as bibliometric mapping. Okay, the findings, the first one from the research question 1, there is explosive growth in recent years. Okay, it shows how scholarly interest in the field remained limited for decades. with minimal output, as we can see from 1984 onwards, before accelerating significantly after 2020 and showing a dramatic increase in publications in the most in recent years, 2023 until 2025. Okay, in between 1984 and 27, publications were sporadic and minimal, with most years recording only one or two papers. Okay, this low output phase reflects the nascent stage of research in the field, possibly due to limited academic interest, insufficient resources, or emerging recognition of the topic's relevance. However, between 2018 and 2022, there is a gradual but steady rise, culminating in 30 publications in 2022, which indicates growing scholarly attention, improved research infrastructure, and broader disseminate of knowledge. Okay. Next, as we can see here, for research question 2, we obtain most influential research. The citation analysis of the top 10 articles highlights the strong scholarly interest in artificial intelligence applications in education, particularly in language learning. The most cited works are concentrated between 2022 and 2024, with Al-Qahtani Italia 2023 leading at 285 citations, which is emergent role of AI and large language models in higher education, and leading and closely followed by Song and Song 2023 with 279 citations. Muhammad 2024 obtained 224 citations, and this means that the both article explore the first and second articles explore the integration of AI and ChatGPT in higher education and language learning, reflecting the rapid uptake of generative AI as a transformative tool in teaching and research. Next, which are the top countries' contribution to the highest number of publication? As we can see here, the red one is China. The distribution of publication by country reveals that China leads with 162 publications, followed by the United States 82 and India 80, indicating that these three countries are the major contributors to the field. These dominance can be linked to their large research communities, substantial investment in science and technology, and government policies encouraging international publication. Okay, for the fourth research question, there are 6 thematic research clusters, as you can see here. The first one is AI technologies, emerging applications, human-computer interaction, language learning, personalized learning, educational technology. The map in this analysis was generated using specific setting, involves viewer, a full counting method, a minimum occurrence threshold of 5, and a minimum cluster size of 5. Out of 1,835 identified keywords, 224 met the threshold, resulting in 6 distinct clusters representing the thematic groups. Okay, and each cluster reflects a set of closely linked concepts. For example, one cluster emphasizes AI and machine learning technologies, and another focuses on language teaching and interaction in language teaching and learning strategies, and others highlight educational technology applications or human-computer interaction and in language learning. Okay, the fifth findings from research question 5, how do countries collaborate in terms of co-authorship network? Okay, out of 77 identified countries, 35 countries meeting threshold criteria, forming 8 distinct collaborative networks. Okay, East Asian Hub comprises of China, Hong Kong, Japan leading regional collaboration, Europe Network, UK, Spain, France driving continental research, North American Partnership, US led to international connections, emerging collaborations, Middle East and Southeast Asia participation. Okay, each cluster reflects a network of countries that frequently co-author publications together. For instance, one cluster centers on East Asian, as I've already mentioned earlier. China, Hong Kong, Japan, leading regional collaboration. These findings contribute to the body of knowledge by highlighting the global distributions of research efforts, revealing which countries are key contributors and collaborators, and identifying regions with less collaboration that may benefit from international partnership. Key insights and future directions, transformative potential. AI offers personalized adaptive learning environments that enhance language proficiency and engagement through real-time feedback and tailored exercises. Research gaps explored. In terms of research gaps, there are underexplored areas, okay, unexplored areas include ethics in AI-assisted learning, long-term pedagogical outcomes, inclusivity, and cross-linguistic applications. Okay, the purpose of this bibliometric analysis was to map the landscape of research on artificial intelligence in language learning and teaching, addressing questions related to publication trends, most cited works, leading countries, influential keywords, and the international collaboration networks. The study revealed a sharp increase in research output after 2020, with the highest growth observed in 2025, indicating that this topic has moved from a niche interest to a mainstream academic focus. And this bibliometric analysis provides a structured overview of AI application in language education, revealing dominant themes and guiding future research priorities for cross-border collaboration and interdisciplinary advancement. So, thank you so much. Thank you for listening.